Welcome back to SR English Conversation Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul, the guy who still gets excited when he sees squirrels in the park.
Really?
They're just so busy. They look like they have important meetings.
Maybe they do. If you enjoy learning real English through fun conversations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
Grab your coffee, or maybe your picnic basket.
And let's go to the park.
Scene 1. Arriving at the park. Wow, this park is beautiful.
It really is. Look at all the trees. The flowers smell amazing.
And listen to the birds. This place feels so peaceful.
Exactly. Now let's learn some useful expressions.
Expression 1.
It's a beautiful day. Very common, very natural.
Repeat after us. It's a beautiful day. Excellent.
Expression 2. The weather is perfect.
Again, the weather is perfect.
Expression 3. Let's go for a walk.
Easy and useful. Repeat. Let's go for a walk.
Emily.
Can I ask something?
Sure.
What's the difference between walk and stroll?
Great question. A walk is normal. A stroll is slower and more relaxing.
Ah, so today we're definitely strolling.
Exactly.
Mini conversation.
Beautiful weather, isn't it?
Yes, it's perfect for a walk.
I agree. Let's enjoy the fresh air.
Scene 2. Seeing people in the park. Wow, there are so many people here.
Yes, some are jogging, some are walking their dogs, some are reading books, some are having picnics. Let's learn how to describe what you see.
Useful sentences.
I can see a family. Someone is jogging. The children are playing. The dog looks happy. There are lots of people here. Repeat them one by one. Pause after each.
Emily, that dog is wearing sunglasses.
Seriously?
Either he's very fashionable or his future is brighter than mine.
That's definitely a confident dog.
Speaking practice.
I'll say the sentence, you repeat. The children are playing. Someone is riding a bicycle. I love this place. Excellent.
Scene 3. Meeting someone new. Emily, what if I want to talk to someone? I'm always nervous.
That's completely normal. Let's keep it simple.
Conversation.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's it. Very natural, very polite.
More useful phrases.
Do you come here often? What a lovely day. I like your dog. That's a nice bike. Have a great day. Repeat each one. Pause.
Wait, can I really tell someone I like your dog?
Of course. People love hearing compliments about their pets.
Good, because talking to dogs is easier than talking to people.
I believe you.
Mini story.
One day, I met a woman in the park. I simply said, "Your dog is adorable." We started talking. 10 minutes later, we were drinking coffee together. Sometimes one sentence can start a friendship.
That's actually inspiring. Scene 5. Having a picnic. Emily, I'm hungry.
Already? We just arrived.
Fresh air makes me hungry. Science.
Okay, let's have a picnic.
Useful expressions.
I'm hungry. Let's eat. This sandwich is delicious. Would you like some? Help yourself. Thank you. You're welcome. Repeat after us. Pause.
Conversation.
Would you like some fruit?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. These strawberries are delicious.
I'm glad you like them.
Emily, can I take one more?
One? You already took 5.
I was testing the quality.
Of course you were.
Scene 6. Asking for directions in the park. Emily, where's the restroom?
Very important question. Let's practice.
Conversation.
Excuse me, where's the restroom?
It's near the playground.
Thank you very much.
No problem. More useful questions.
Where's the exit? Is there a cafe nearby? How far is the lake? Can you help me? Repeat each one. Pause.
Emily, if I get lost, can I just follow the ducks?
Probably not.
Worth asking.
Real-life role play.
Imagine you're visiting a park in another country. Let's practice together. I'll be the local. Paul will be the visitor.
Excuse me, is this park always this busy?
Mostly on weekends.
Oh, where can I rent a bicycle?
Near the entrance, just go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your ride.
Speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions aloud. Ready? What's the weather like today? Pause. Do you like parks? Pause. What do you usually do there? Pause. Would you rather read a book or have a picnic? Pause. Fantastic. Remember, speaking out loud builds confidence.
Final review.
Let's quickly review today's expressions. It's a beautiful day. Let's go for a walk. The weather is perfect. I'm hungry. Would you like some? Excuse me, is this seat taken? Where's the restroom? I like your dog. Have a great day. Amazing.
Final story. Emily, can I tell everyone something?
Of course.
A few years ago, I was afraid to speak English. I thought, what if I make mistakes? So I stayed quiet. But then I realized nobody speaks perfectly. People just communicate. One sentence became two. Two became 10. Now I'm still learning, but I'm no longer afraid.
And that's the biggest lesson today. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. Even if you make mistakes, keep talking, keep practicing, keep smiling. Scene 6. Watching people play sports.
Wow, look over there.
A basketball game.
And over there, people are playing badminton.
Parks are full of activities. Let's learn how to talk about sports naturally.
Useful expressions. I'm just watching. They're having fun. Who's winning? Nice shot. Good game. That was amazing. Repeat after us. Excellent.
Many conversation.
Are you good at basketball?
I'm okay. I'm better at cheering than playing.
Same here. My biggest talent is holding everyone's water bottle.
That's an important job.
Speaking practice.
Repeat. I like playing sports. My favorite sport is badminton. I enjoy watching games. Very nice.
Scene 7. Taking photos. Emily, can you take my picture?
Of course. Stand next to those flowers.
Like this?
Maybe smile a little.
This is my happy face.
Really? You look like you're waiting for a math exam.
Ouch.
Useful sentences.
Can you take my picture? Sure. Smile. One more. That looks great. Let's take a selfie. Repeat after us.
Mini story. Last weekend, I asked a stranger to take my picture.
Were you nervous?
A little, but I simply said, "Excuse me, could you take a photo for me?" They smiled and said, "Of course. Sometimes people are kinder than we expect."
That's true.
Scene 8. Talking about nature.
This park is so green.
Yes, being in nature helps people relax. Look around. The trees are moving in the wind. The birds are singing. The flowers are blooming. It's beautiful.
Vocabulary.
Tree, flower, grass, bench, lake, bridge, path, bird, butterfly, cloud. Repeat each word slowly. Excellent.
Natural sentences.
The air feels fresh. I love the peaceful atmosphere. What a beautiful view. I could stay here all day. Repeat together.
Emily, if I lived here, I'd probably never go home.
Until your phone battery died.
Good point.
Scene 10. 9. Playing with a dog.
Emily, that puppy is coming toward us.
Don't worry, he looks friendly.
He's so cute.
Conversation.
May I pet your dog?
Dog owner. Sure, he's very friendly. Paul. Hi, buddy. Who's a good boy? I think he likes you.
Finally, someone does.
Oh, Paul.
Useful expressions.
He's adorable. What's his name? How old is he? He's so friendly. I love dogs. Repeat after us.
Scene 10.
Buying ice cream. Emily, I have an important question. What is it? Ice cream? That's always an important question. Let's go. At the ice cream stand.
Hi, can I have one chocolate ice cream, please?
Sure. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Here you go.
How much is it?
$3.
Here you are.
Have a nice day.
Repeat after me.
Can I have anything else? That's all. How much is it? Here you are. Thank you. Perfect.
Quick quiz.
Time for a challenge. I'll ask a question. Answer it out loud. Ready? What do you like to do in a park? What's your favorite outdoor activity? Do you enjoy walking alone or with friends? Would you like chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Great job.
Confidence boost.
Emily, can I tell everyone something?
Go ahead. If you're making mistakes while speaking English, that's actually good news.
Why?
Because it means you're speaking. The only people who never make mistakes are the people who never try.
Exactly. Every conversation makes you stronger. Every new word builds your confidence. Don't wait to become perfect. Start speaking today. Scene 11. Asking to join a game.
Emily, look! Those people are playing volleyball.
It looks like they're having a lot of fun.
I've always wanted to join a game like that, but I never know what to say.
It's easier than you think.
Conversation. Excuse me, can I join your game?
Player. Of course. We need one more person.
Great, thank you.
Player. Have you played before?
A little, so please don't laugh if I miss the ball.
Player. Don't worry, we're just playing for fun.
I like those rules already.
Repeat after me. Can I join your game? We need one more person. I'm just playing for fun. Nice serve. Good job. Pause after each sentence.
Emily, what if I accidentally hit the ball into the lake?
Then congratulations, you've invented a water volleyball.
I knew I was creative.
Scene 12. Feeding the ducks. Look at the lake. The ducks are swimming peacefully.
They're so calm, unlike me before a job interview.
Let's learn some nature vocabulary.
Useful sentences.
The ducks are swimming. The water is very calm. Look at that beautiful lake. The sunset is amazing. I love spending time outdoors. Repeat together. Pause.
Mini conversation. Do you come here often?
Whenever I need a break, nature helps me relax.
Me too. Sometimes we all need a little quiet.
Exactly. Life gets busy. Taking a simple walk can make you feel better.
Scene 13. Losing something. Emily, I think I lost my phone.
What? Are you serious?
I had it 5 minutes ago.
Stay calm. Let's think. Where did you use it last?
Near the ice cream stand.
Then let's go back. Useful expressions. I can't find my phone. Have you seen it? I think I lost it. Let's look over there. Don't worry, we'll find it. Repeat each sentence. Pause.
Conversation.
Excuse me, have you seen a black phone?
Woman, is this yours?
Yes, thank you so much.
Woman, you're welcome.
Emily, today is officially my lucky day.
Emily, next time, try keeping it in your pocket.
That's a brilliant idea. Why didn't I think of that?
Scene 14. Watching the sunset. Look at the sky. The sun is going down.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Sometimes we forget to stop and enjoy simple moments.
You're right. We're always looking at our phones. But this is better.
Speaking practice. Repeat after me. What a beautiful sunset. I'm glad we came here. This day was wonderful. I'll come back again. Excellent.
Scene 15. A friendly chat. Emily, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you enjoy teaching English?
Because language changes lives. One conversation can lead to a new friendship. One sentence can help someone travel confidently. One new word can open a new opportunity.
I never thought about it that way.
English isn't just a subject. It's a bridge between people.
That's actually really inspiring.
Pronunciation practice. Let's practice some common words together. Park, peaceful, beautiful, nature, friend, relax, conversation, wonderful. Again, a little faster. Great job.
Listen and repeat dialogue.
Ready for a final conversation?
Let's go.
Hi, is anyone sitting here?
No, the bench is free. Please have a seat.
Thank you. It's such a lovely evening.
It really is. Do you visit this park often?
Yes, I come here after work. It's my favorite place to relax.
I can understand why. Everyone seems so happy here.
Parks have a special feeling. People smile more, children laugh, dogs run around. It reminds us to slow down.
I think I need more days like this.
Me too.
Today's review.
Let's remember today's key expressions. Can I join your game? I'm just playing for fun. The ducks are swimming. I can't find my phone. Have you seen it? What a beautiful sunset. I'm glad we came here. I'll come back again. Fantastic work.
Final motivation. Emily, before we finish, I want to say something to everyone watching. When I first started learning English, I was scared of making mistakes. But today, I realized something important. Every mistake taught me something. Every conversation made me stronger. Every small step brought me closer to confidence.
That's exactly how learning works. Don't compare yourself to fluent speakers. Compare yourself to the person you were yesterday. If you know one more word today, if you speak one more sentence today, your